you see that? Tell me, have you seen that? Oh, I hear a voice and you always know the sweet music on the radio. Have you seen that?
I don't know where me I go now, you know. I'm going to sleep in my car tonight, you know. As soon as you live in a house with a woman, as soon as something went wrong, I'm ready to kick you out. You know? I'm going to go and sleep in my car tonight. Many more nights to come.